Hello, everyone. This is Bridge the Gap Summer Reading and Math Enrichment. Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome to Bridge the Gap Learning, where we make learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into money, how to count it, use it, and shop smart. Let's get started. I am your Bridge the Gap teacher. Okay. Okay, so today we are diving into money, how to count it, use it, shop smart. Let's get started. In this lesson, focused for grades 3 to 5, mostly a fifth grade lesson, but third and fourth grade, depending on their skill level, can do this. Today we're going to be focusing on practicing how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide with money. Um, okay, before we start, what do you know about money? Can you pause this video and just jot it down or put it in the chat? What do you know about money? Here we have some of our money. We're starting with the coins. Start with the yellow, which is a nickel, right? And it's worth 5 cents. We're moving on to the green. You have a quarter there, and it's worth 25 cents. Going to the blue, you have penny, and it's worth 1 cent. And then the dime, which is worth 10 cents. Okay. Again, you can draw these, you can shade money, coins, and write the value and the name. Right, we're moving on to the bills. Okay. I want you to look at the bill. How much is it? Who is on the front and what is in the back? How many pennies does it take to make this amount? How many nickels? How many dimes? And how many quarters? Here's another bill asking you to do the same thing. And then tell how many pennies, dimes, nickels, and quarters. Here's another bill. Answer these questions. You could write them down or you can freely put them in the chat. All right, another bill. And this is the last bill. How much is this? Who is on the front and who is on the back? How many pennies does it take to make this amount? How many nickels? How many dimes? How many quarters? Okay, good job. That's it for the introduction of the bills. We are going to move on to a little game, which is would you rather, right? Would you rather have 5 quarters or have 12 dimes? Which gives you more in the end? Pause and think. Would you rather get $50 now or get $5 every week for 12 weeks? Would you rather have 10 $1 bills or have 4 $5 bills? Would you rather have 10,000 cents or 2,000 nickels? Okay, good job, guys. What the would you rather? Now let's go back to our money. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing with money. Okay, so here we are. Jamal has 3 quarters, 4 dimes, 2 nickels, and 6 pennies. He wants to buy a notebook that costs $1. Does he have enough money? Don't forget to show what you know. Think fast. What's the total? Pause and solve. Okay. All right. So 3/4 is 75 cents. 4 dimes is 40 cents. 2 nickels is 10 cents. 6 pennies is 6 cents. So 75 cents plus 40 cents plus 10 cents plus 6 cents is $1.31. Yes, Jamal has enough money. Let's say you bought a book for $3.75 and a pencil for $1.25. What's the total? Calculate to find the total. Okay, again, you can pause um, and solve. Let's try subtraction. Now subtract. You have $10 and you spend $6.50. How much is left? Okay, now let's try multiplication and division. I'm going to start with multiplication. I want to buy a cupcake, 250 for each, and I'm buying 4 cupcakes. So I would say 4 times 250, which gives me $10. All right, or I could say 250 plus 250 is $5. 250 plus another 250, that's $5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here you have 3 friends, they're sharing $12 equally. That's $12 divided by 3, by 4, I'm sorry, and they each get $3. Okay, it's time to go get something to eat. Okay, so you go to a restaurant and you want to get something to eat. The burger is $4, the fries is $3, and the juice is $2. You have $10. What can you buy? Okay, pause and try it. Add the prices together and then subtract from $10. Tell me what you have left. Again, you can pause to make your order and then add and tell me what the total is. All right. And here we have a little shopping again. Now you're going to the bakery. This I will leave with you. You know, if you want to do some extra practice, we have cupcakes for $4.40, cookies for $2.10, brownies for $5, muffins for $3.80, cake slice of cake for $7.90, and I have something here, but my volume sign is covering it for $3.40. I don't really remember what I put there. Um, oh, scones. Yes, scone. So answer these questions. What is the total cost of 2 cookies and a cupcake? How much money from a $10 bill will Pete get for buying a cake slice? Georgia buys a brownie, a cupcake, and a scone. How much does she pay? Number 4, how much money does a cake slice cost than a cupcake? Number 5, Ken orders a brownie and a cookie. How much change will he get from a $10 bill? Number 6, what is the total cost of a cookie, scone, and a muffin? Number 7, Danny wants to buy a cookie, cupcake, and brownie. How much money would it cost her? Blake only has a $20 bill. How much money will change will get from buying a cake, slice, and a cookie? How much will it cost to get a muffin and a scone? What is the total cost of a cake, slice, and a scone? Okay, so here's some questions for you. Take your time. Finish, please. When you finish, don't forget to leave your answers in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons with Bridge the Gap Learning. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.